Wave, 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 wave. Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. I don't know how well you can hear me. We're up here at Stony Brook Park, and I'm just going to show you some of the way the beauty is in this place. Here's the waterfall. Ooh, I'm getting a cramp. I'm going to show you up here. We are down, and kind of it's just beautiful up here. It's a gorgeous day, and we're just enjoying it. So I'm just going to do a little video, let you guys see it, and then we'll... The girls having fun. Sitting over here, there's a real good breeze blowing off the waterfalls, and it feels freaking wonderful because we've been hiking, and I'm tired. After chainsawing, and we've been hiking for a few miles all the way up. It continues up, 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 and then it goes down, and then it goes back up again. So there's the girls over there. Let me see if I can... I'll zoom in on them. Nope, I can't zoom in. All right. Well, then I'll walk over here. I don't know how well you can hear me, but... Alright, so that's it. We're going to get out of here shortly. But it's been a wonderful, we spent the night, had a nice fire last night, got some work done today, and now we're doing the reward part of it. So I don't know how well you'll be able to hear me over the waterfall, but it's gorgeous up here. Alright, I guess that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Prepper Nurse 1 out.